Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are reading chapter number 6, School Days. Dear students, today's topic is related to our previous lecture based on grammar, the use of past perfect continuous tense. Dear students, past perfect continuous tense shows an action that was going on in the past when a second action took place. It shows that one action was going on in the past while other or second action took place. Like past perfect tense, in this tense we use had been and the continuous tense of given verb. What is continuous tense of given verb? Means ing verb or present participle. Dear students, as we used in past perfect tense, the past participle that is formed by adding ed with regular verbs and by changing irregular verbs in third form of verbs. For example, past participle. Now what is past participle? Past participle is formed with regular verbs and also with irregular verbs. Now let me explain you what are regular verbs. Regular verbs are those verbs that are changed by a regular pattern by adding ed. For example, cook, cooked, cooked. For past participle, we use only the third form of verb as written here. Next one is gather, gathered, gathered. You can see for the second form of verb and for third form of verb, I'm adding only ed with first form of verb. Third one is start, started, started. For past participle, I will repeat again, we use only the third form of verb like cooked, gathered, started. These are regular verbs that are changing by a typical or regular pattern by adding only ed. Next are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are those verbs that don't follow the regular pattern. They are completely changed into second form of verb and also in third form of verb. Like the base form is go, second one is went, third one is gone. Go, went, gone. You can see I am not adding ed with them. They are changing itself into second and third form of verbs. Go, went, gone. Next is see. See is base form of verb or first form of verb. It will be changed into saw. Saw is second form of verb and third one is seen. Begin, began, begun. For past participle, we use the third form of verb, also in regular verbs and irregular verbs. Here, for past participle, we will use gone, seen and begun. This was the concept of using past participle, and past participle is made of regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now students, let's come to our topic, use of had been and the continuous tense of given verb. Means ing verb in past perfect continuous tense. Adding ing to base form of a verb creates present participle. As I told you the concept of past participle. For example, Maria had been reading when the mischief makers staked the chairs in the shape of a pyramid around her. Here you can see he is using the helping verb had been with present participle. But now what is present participle? Let me explain you. Present participle is ing verbs or present participle. ing verbs are also called present participle. Here some examples are written like By adding ing with base form of verb or first form of verb, it creates present participle like eat, eating, read, reading, play, playing, help, helping. After knowing the concept of present participle, it will be easy to understand us. This example, Maria had been reading when the mischief makers take the chairs in the shape of a pyramid around her. In this example, he is following the rule of using had been and the tense, continuous tense of given verb. So I told you what is continuous tense. It is ing verb or present participle. Now let us do an activity of filling the blanks by using the past perfect continuous tense and the simple past tense of the verbs in the brackets. The formula is same of using had been and present participle, and for the next sentence of using only the past tense. So the first sentence is Maria dash read when her siblings interrupt her. Maria had been reading. Here you can see the read is changed into reading. Read is changed into reading. The present participle with use of had been. When her siblings interrupted her. Interrupt change into interrupted in the simple past tense. See the next sentence. Sentence 2. The boarders dash sleep soundly when the alarm clock rang. The boarders had been sleeping soundly when the alarm clock rang. Ring was changed into ring. Sleep was changed into sleeping. See the third sentence. The children dashed do their homework when it began to rain heavily. The children had been doing their homework when it began to rain heavily. You can see the use of irregular verb here. Begin, began. Begin was changed into began. And we use the ing with do to make it present participle. See the fourth sentence. The boarders dash were very upset because they wait for an hour for their breakfast. The boarders were. The second form of be is were. Third. Be. Sorry students. The second form of be is was. So for the plural subject, we will change was into were. Very upset because they had been waiting for an hour for their breakfast. See our last sentence. Mr. Peterson dash teach at school for more than 3 years before he became the headmaster. Mr. Peterson had been teaching at the school for more than 3 years before he became the headmaster. The became changed into became, the second form of verb in simple past tense. Now students, open the page number 32 of your workbook. The activity is same as we did in our active English book. Fill in the blanks with past perfect continuous tense of the verbs in the brackets. We have to change the given verbs into past perfect continuous tense. So the first sentence is Samuel was angry because he dashed for an hour for Dick to show up. Samuel was angry because he had been waiting for an hour for Dick to show up. Second sentence is Julie was tired as she worked all day. Julie was tired as she had been working all day. Work was changed into working with helping verb had been. See the third sentence. We dash chat long before our guests arrived. We had been chatting long before our guests arrived. Fourth sentence. The fox steal chickens from the farmer for weeks before it was caught. The fox had been stealing chickens from the farmer for weeks before it was caught. See our last sentence. The burglar dash hang around Mandy's house for a while before he decided to break in. The burglar had been hanging around Mandy's house for a while before he decided to break in. Students, you will learn the both activities which you learned from Active English book and workbook, and will write some present participle in your notebook, at least 10 present participles.